Juicy and delicious Baked Gujiya, prepared in air fryer and dipped in sugar syrup. Filled with marwa, dry fruits and other ingredients. A half teaspoon ghee on low flame. 2 tablespoons chopped almonds. 2 tablespoons chopped cashew nuts. 1 tablespoon chopped pistachios. Mix well on low flame. Three tablespoons desiccated coconut. Mix well on low flame until light golden brown. Add 10 cut raisins. Mix well on low flame to dry roast it. Once ready, let it cool down. 200 grams marwa on low flame. Cook until it turns light brown. Now this is ready. Transfer and let it cool down. Once cooled down, add the mixture. Add few kesar. A half teaspoon cardamom powder. 5 tablespoons sugar powder. Mix well. Mixture is ready. 2 cups plain flour. A pinch of salt. A 1/4 cup ghee. Mix well. Add small amount of water and mix it. Soft dough is ready. Cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, cut into small and equal portions. Roll it like this. Keep similar thickness. Fill the mixture. Apply water at the edges. Fold and lock like this. Preheat air fryer for 5 minutes at 205 degrees. Place gujiya inside the basket. Set for only 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 4 to 5 minutes, stop and apply milk. After 4 to 5 minutes, stop and flip it. Apply milk. Once ready, light golden brown, take this out. Ready to serve dry and crunchy gujiya. Syrup preparation. 2 cups sugar. 2 cups water. Let it melt on medium flame. Add pinch of kesar. A half teaspoon cardamom powder. One teaspoon lemon juice to stop crystallization. Check after 5 minutes. If it sticks, then it's ready. Switch off the flame. Transfer gujiya to this syrup. Leave for 1 to 2 minutes. Take this out. Garnish with pistachios. Crunchy, juicy gujiya ready to serve.